If you'd like to see me completely transform these plain Gerber baby onesies into these lovely, pretty, blinky, and pearl embellished onesies, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I am going to be adding some iron-on transfers and some pearls and a little bit of rhinestones to these onesies. So I had them put up in a bag, so they're a little wrinkly. So I'm going to use my pressed pillow and my Teflon sheet. What I'm going to do is just iron over them just for a few seconds to remove any moisture or anything like that. These are the cute little iron-ons that I'm going to be using. They're called DTF transfers. Now the Adidas one, that's just some vinyl I cut out with my Silhouette Cameo. And the one that says Beautiful Little Sister in the lime green, I cut that out with my Cameo. The other things I'm going to put on is going to be the DTF transfers that I got off Amazon. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So last weekend I attended a baby shower. My cousin is having a baby girl, baby Melanie. And I was like, well, I want to make some onesies really quick. I have the transfers, but I was like, I just want to do a little more to them. So you'll see me here. I'm just ironing the transfers on. And then I'm going to pull them all off once I have everything ironed on. And then we'll just take it from there. So of course you can use a heat press machine. I have a heat press machine, but when I'm like really in a hurry and don't feel like waiting for it to warm up, I'll just use an iron. And that's just the easier way of doing it to show you that you don't have to have a heat press machine. I don't know how much they cost now, but I know I bought mine years ago. At least 10 years I've had it for $350. So they can be kind of up there. But they have these cute little irons I've been seeing the girlies use. I just use my regular home iron. You just have to make sure you turn off the steam and cut it on cotton, the highest setting. So I'm just going to carefully peel these off. I like to hold the garment down and kind of peel up, or hold it and peel down, either or. So I'm going to take all of these off. And for some reason, if you have something still sitting up a little bit, like not all the way flat, take your Teflon sheet and just iron back over it, and it's fine. Okay, so I'm going to take some wax paper and put it inside of this baby onesie. Now, of course, these onesies are super cute by themselves as they are right now. But I just wanted to add a little extra. So I'm going to take this glue that I have. It's called Fabric Fusion. And the great thing about this glue, especially because we're using this on a baby onesie, it's non-toxic. It doesn't have a harsh smell, you know. Otherwise, I would use E6000, which is cool too, but it is toxic and it has a very harsh smell. Another great thing about this, it says that it cures within 2 to 4 hours, and then you can fully wash the garment within 48 hours. I bought this glue alone, like at least a couple years ago. I forgot I had it and I recently found it. I cannot remember how much this glue costs, so you'll have to Google it, or I'll Google it and just tell you later in the video. So I decided to use some pearls. The size pearls I'm using, I want to say these are 6mm pearls that I'm going around the hearts with. I just wanted to add something, and I just think that pearls are just so girly and dainty and cute. So that's what I'm doing. If you want to do something differently than what I'm doing, you can take some, for example, you can take some green rhinestones and fill up the hearts. I could have did that because I do have some jelly green rhinestones, some jelly 5mm rhinestones, but I wanted to use something bigger and I didn't want to take too much time up. And I still felt like this onesie needed a little bit more. So I went to go look at my little craft closet drawer thing, and I found these 10mm pearls. These are so cute. Now, if you look closely, they're not the exact lime green color, and that's okay. I still think this looks really, really great on this onesie. So these are pretty big. So I did like a nice size drop of the Fabric Fusion glue. And then I'm doing some smaller dots of glue because I'm going to add these pearls, which I believe are 6mm pearls. So, I mean, it was cute with just the 10mm lime green pearls. But when I added these white pearls, oh, it just made it look so much better. Okay, so on onesie number 2, I was like, okay, so the baby in the picture on the shirt, she has the cute blue bow, the blue shirt, then she has little pearl earrings, and I was like, I don't have that exact blue, but I do have a blue. So I was like, let me just add some blue pearls. So I'm just really digging these pearls. These are 8mm, if I'm not mistaken. And again, I'm just adding some random scattered dots of this glue, and I'm making sure that I cover that up. I didn't go over this with white. I just did the blue, and I just kind of spaced it out carefully, and it's just so cute. It just gives it that pop, you know? So I felt like it was still missing something. Maybe I could have went in with a smaller pearl for the earrings, but I just thought it'd be cute to just make her earrings be pearls and just add a couple to the center of her bow. And that's what I'm doing. You know, just little minor, little detailed things. I think these are great for baby shower gifts. These are great just to do for your own baby. You may be looking at some inspiration if you're pregnant now with a baby girl or attending a baby shower, maybe a birthday party. Because, you know, babies wear onesies all the way up to 0 to 3 months, and they have some that's 18 to 24 months. So you can make onesies for quite some time for babies. And you can get them in different colors if you like to. I always just kind of get white, but I saw on Amazon they do have some that are pink. You can get different color onesies. You can. I've done them before. Now with this one, my 10-year-old daughter, she said she liked this one. This was one of her favorites when she looked at them. She really likes the gold and the pink. The gold and the pink is cute, and I thought it looked really good with the unicorn iron-on transfer. It's just so cute. I like to use different size pearls, but these both are 10mm pearls, which is fine. But I just really like that gold and pink too. Okay, so this next onesie, I just added that one in. I was just trying something different, okay? This is the only one that I used the E6000 on. I could have just did just the fabric fusion, but I wanted to make sure this didn't come off. I don't know. I just wanted to use a little E6000 on this for some reason. So this is some faux leather fabric, and it's Louis Vuitton inspired. I do have this fabric on my website available, myroyalradiance.com. And it's just so cute with all the colorful little LVs. So I was just gently pressing this down. I just didn't want the edges to be lifting, and I didn't want too much to ooze out. So I am going to take some silver 6mm pearls, and I'm going to go around the edge. I could have did white. I don't know. I just decided to do silver. So I'm just going to line the edge of this with these pearls. And again, this is just to give you some cute little ideas. You can most definitely use whatever color pearls you want, or you can most definitely use rhinestones. You can use rhinestones as well. But okay. Also with this fabric, I have a lot of different, I like how this came out. I'm going to do more onesies like this in the future. I was just thinking this would be cute if you cut some shapes out and like glued these to jeans, you know? Even if it was like down one leg of the jeans and not like both sides. I don't know, I just think that'd be cute. So again, I have this fabric, myroyalradiance.com, and I have like 5x7 smaller sheets, but I also have a bigger size sheets, 9x12. And when you buy 3 sheets of fabric, you get the 4th sheet free of charge. It's a 4th random sheet of fabric. But I really do like this onesie. So you'll just see me add the pearls, and then you'll see how I add some embellishments, which I didn't know what at first I wanted to do, because you see all the colors in this fabric. I was like, I can use all these different colors of pearls. But I don't have every color of pearl. I have most of them though. But I decided to do something else. I'll show you later. Okay, so I have these really cute, I forgot what they're called. I think they're called double layer claw rhinestones. I don't know, but like all of a sudden I've been seeing people use these. I found them on Alibaba.com. I actually have a kit. I didn't add it to the website yet, but it has these because you guys have been asking me about them. Now they do have some of these rhinestones on Amazon. However, they have like a circle shape and they're a little bit smaller. I have not seen the oval shape. I haven't seen the oval shape. I do have a rhinestone vendor list. I will be adding this to my rhinestone vendor list because I am just so into these rhinestones. I love them. And if anyone has ever purchased my rhinestone vendor list, you could just shoot me an email because I'll still have your information on my website. It has for having purchased the rhinestone vendor and the vendor list. I'll email it to you if you like it. Or you know what, if you've ever ordered a vendor list from me before, period, if you just email me, I'll be able to see your email that you ordered before. If you've ever ordered the rhinestone vendor list, the planner vendor, the brooches and croc charms vendor, I'll send you this vendor information if you'd like it. But if you'd like to just do your own research, Alibaba.com, and you type in double layer rhinestones. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of these 5 baby onesies that were DIY baby shower gifts for my baby cousin that's on the way. Should be here, I think, in 2 months. Baby Melody. And I love this one. These rhinestones on this Louis Vuitton inspired one reminds me of the Infinity Stones from the Avengers. If you're familiar with the Marvel movies, it reminds me of those. I love these. I absolutely adore these onesies. Which one do you guys like the best? So I really like, I don't know, it's hard to choose, but I really do like the bottom 3 are my favorite. Well, the bottom 3, but I also like the one with the little girl holding her hands on her cheeks. So, I don't know. I just like them all. But I really do like the one with the gold pearls and the pink pearls. They're very cute. But this is just something cute that you can make for a baby. Or if you have tables at pop-up shows, you can maybe add a couple onesies. Oh, and if you want to know how much I charge for onesies, I only charge $10. It's like a baby onesie. I don't like when I go to the store and you see them itty bitty clothes and they want like $20 and $30 for a little shirt. Baby clothes cost more than the clothes I buy for my toddler and 10-year-old. Baby clothes are expensive, but I do require a 3 onesie minimum. I mean, you could charge it $15 if you want, if you add in all the rhinestones and like doing some extra stuff, but I think $10 a piece is cool. That's what I've always charged for them. But thanks again for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Share it on Facebook or send it to someone who may be interested. Thanks again. Hey guys, bye-bye. Check out my website, myroyalradiance.com. And there's always a coupon code available with a special discount. Royal Beauty 10 off. Use it today. We have some updated styles of luxury-inspired faux leather fabric. And when you buy 3 sheets of fabric, you'll get the 4th one free of charge. We also have these beautiful iron-on patches available and these beautiful planner charms that are so versatile. You can use these to decorate your cell phone cases, compact mirrors, or you can turn these into brooches or croc charms. More beautiful sparkly gold iron-on patches for your Crocs or denim jackets, and the latest item we have are the brooches for the slouch socks. We also have luxury inspired Crocs charms. Iron-on transfers are also available. Check out our website, see our tactical defense, where we do have in-waistband gun holsters, belly bands, magnetic holsters, and a lot more.